intensive math, this is my homepage. This is, if you were to walk by my classroom, this is what is there, okay? So this particular student has me first period. The first period, and they are a 6th grade student. Notice the first thing says, click here by 9:10. You click here, and it opens up a Zoom. They wait there until I let them in. This is as if they were lining outside my door waiting for me to unlock, okay? This is where I take attendance when every student is in line. I write down who's present, who's not. Right here, see, I write down their attendance, okay? So they have to do this. This is attendance that if they are not here, if they do not join this meeting, this click here, then they do not get marked present, okay? I do have a recording of them. I admit I'm not 100% sure where they go. I have seen them, but I don't know what they look like. So we'll save that for another day. So I'm gonna go back to materials, okay? So that gets them in. We've had several assignments, I think 5. And the first week of school, they've been moved. So assignment here was an about me. This was 20 points. They had to click on it. Here is my completed one for them to look at. This is their blank one. They were to view it. And I don't know if it's going to open up hers, so I may have to exit it automatically. Nope. So it opens up a blank one. In this corner here, it says download. So I download it. Then it shoots down to your bottom left. Open it up. At which point, it takes a while, I admit. You know, school computers, they're not the fastest in the world. They open up. You say enable editing, and then they can write in it. My favorite food is pizza, okay? If they want, they could have put in a picture. Insert online picture. Let's find a pizza, because who doesn't love pizza? P-I-Z-Z-A, enter. There we go. Done. Insert. And boom, I have a pizza in my square. Okay, this was a 20-point assignment. They needed to save it to their computer. I am not going to save it. I have plenty of them on my computer. I want to hide this person's name again because my sticky fell off. Save it. And then in Schoology, it says right here, submit assignment. Now this particular student obviously already did the assignment, so hers says resubmit. So, but if your son, daughter hasn't done it, go right here, click submit picture or submit assignment. And when it opens up, it'll go right here. These are your files. You'll open it up, find your about me picture or your file, insert it, and then click submit, okay? If you have questions, as you can see, some students have written some questions. You're welcome to do that. All right, that was the first assignment we did. The 2 other assignments are actually discussions, so they're in the discussion folder. One was attendance, where all they had to do was tell me if they had a pet and their name. If they don't have a pet, they had to write what their favorite animal was. That was 10 points. If they wanted extra credit, they could share a picture of their favorite pet. For example, this person shared a picture of their lovely dog. So that person got 11 points out of 10, okay? But you didn't have to. Share a picture, not required. Go back to materials. And the last discussion question was a Southwest Middle School expectation. This was done on campus as well. This was their question. They had to open up the PowerPoint, and then the question was to name one of the null meanings. So they'd have to copy it, stick it here and paste it. Where's paste? I don't see paste. Paste, there you go. And then hit post. That was 1 point, okay? Courses. Oh, I went too far, but notice I can just go right back. I don't need to make my changes. This big thing in the middle here, okay? During class, I had them go to Legends of Learning and enter my class code of Gillen 5. You can ask your son or daughter if they've done that. I believe 95% of the students have. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to let me know. There's nothing assigned yet except for the 8th graders. And the assignment this week was a decimal add, subtract, multiply, and divide assignment. All they had to do was open it up. If you see, this person's already done it. There was 8 questions, and I just was trying to see if who can add, who can subtract, who can multiply, and who can divide decimals, so I can do some small groups later. So that's a rundown of what I have in Schoology, okay? Not much. There's stuff that is done. You're welcome to look into it. We did these things before. And now I'm going to go into Imagine Math and discuss the journals, okay? But I'm going to end this video. This is for Schoology and assignments.